He said one day you'll leave this world behind. These are the nights to never die. My father told me. Start pouring down, light a fire they can't put out. Carve your name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores. Don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are.